Hey guys, I got some new disc from Lone Star, so let's go ahead and open them up and give them a look. This right here is what they call the TEX, and those things look pretty sweet. It is a 6.5 -3.1, so they are on the understable side. 174 Bravo, 173 Bravo. They got a pretty awesome looking profile. I think I'm really gonna like these discs. They got just a little bit of dome on them too. You can't hear the pop on it. And they looked really sweet. I told them to give me some nice blue looking colors. This has a little bit of green in it, but it still pops pretty well. I'm gonna do a comparison with some other discs as well, so let's do that right now. So here are some other discs that we're going to compare it to. We have the Frio, which is the more overstable, then Oracle, and Guadalupe. These are all 7 speeds, and obviously this does say 6, so it does have a little bit more of that smaller rim plate, but this has definitely got a flatter rim than the Guadalupe. The Guadalupe definitely goes up, and wow, it might actually be most comparable to, just on the rim, the Oracle. Because even the Frio has that little bit more of a lip. But overall, I can't wait to see how these throw, so I'll give you a little quick demonstration of what it looks like here in just a second. So guys, we got the TEX. It is a 6.5 -3.1. We were throwing in my back lot. The next house is about 3 acres away. To get to that vehicle, it's over 600 feet, but that's kind of the direction I'm throwing. I normally have my practice basket out there, but I only have this guy out here. So we'll go ahead and throw it 3 different ways. The first one will be just a flat release. The second one will be a hyzer release, trying to hyzer flip it a little bit. Then the last one is going to be on an anhyzer angle. I normally throw a mid-range about 250 to 270 feet. And so this being a 6-speed, I'm hoping to get maybe a little bit more distance. Maybe not, we don't know. So here's the first couple of throws. Might be hard to see, but there's a white car right in front of that's the post for my other basket. That's in my garage right now. So I'm gonna try to throw at that post, but it might look like it's more at that white car. That's about 3 acres away, so I'm not gonna. So the first throw was a complete turnover. So we're gonna try it again and see if I can put it on a little bit of hyzer. So here is the second throw. I'm gonna try to hyzer flip it, put it on a little bit of hyzer and get it to go. We'll see what it does. Wow, that one went about 300 feet right there. That was pretty sweet. I was not expecting it to go that far. My practice basket is about 275 feet away, and this went more than 25 feet, so at least 300 feet. One last throw. We're gonna throw this on some anhyzer. I don't have much hope because I'm not very great with a roller, but I do want to just show you what that's gonna look like. Okay, so that one went 300 feet as well. It did cut over to the right and then came back left. I really like how this disc flies. So if you're looking for a little bit of an understable mid-range, some of you may call this a fairway driver, but a 6-speed without a huge thick rim that's understable, I'd highly recommend picking up the TEX. You can get a discount on this disc right now by using the promo code on your screen now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments section down below. If you've not subscribed yet, please make sure to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching.